Okay. I have no idea how to use this thing correctly, apparently. As I desperately try to get this set up. Okay. Hopefully this is all within frame. But we'll find out. So, what I'm doing is really just a kind of video log of some of the projects that I'm working on and just general how things are going here at the homestead. I say as if I were out not in the middle of the city. So today's just a really simple project. I painted a board, well, a hardboard with a chalkboard paint. And let me pause what's going on in the background. Um, so I painted a section of hardboard the size of that door back there um, with a chalkboard paint, so that way I can have like a message board, reminder board, big thing to sketch on, I guess, if there's some reason I need that. And while I was a dum-dum yesterday and started to try and basically make it so that I would have folded steel brackets to slip over the door handle. I mean, not the door handle, the door jamb. And while I was doing that, and almost had everything ready, well, I had everything ready to drill and then bend, I remembered, wait, I've got removable Velcro that I could just put on the back of it. It doesn't weigh more than the 16 pounds that I have, so the 16-pound holding capacity that it has, so I might as well just, use that, and probably use more than I needed to. Well, here we are. Currently it's a regular board door, not a board door. Currently it's a white board of a door, and now it's going to be a red message board of a door. Let's hope it works.